इस पे आने सो टुडे
काय
वी आर अपग्रेडिंग 16 GB RAM in G5 and 1 TB
करूनच घेतली मी.
hard disk.
त्याला मी
So
बोललो.
this is G
मी अगोदर
G15.
बोललो त्याला, तो 1200 बोललेला मला.
So you can see here
मी दिलं त्याने, मी बाहेर पण गेला. बाहेर मी विचारलं.
it is 2 RAM slot. So easily we can extend 16 GB plus 16 GB.
हॅलो, बरं का?
So I'm putting 16 GB RAM in first slot.
How many capacity slot RAM?
So you can expand 16 plus 16 32 GB RAM in G15 laptop. Also you can upgrade hard disk. So company is giving hard disk caddy and connector is also here in G15 series. So easily you can see here. This is connector given by Dell and I am upgrading 1 TB hard disk. Also you can extend 1 TB SSD as well as. Company is giving by default 8 GB i5 10th generation 512 SSD. So we are upgrading 16 GB plus 1 TB plus 256 SSD.
अच्छा हाँ मैं इधर 2 लिखा वही भी बोला वही.
So also, company also providing the screws here. हाँ हाँ पॉज कर दो.